Hello all, welcome to our new video on India's upcoming Personal Data Protection Bill 2018. In this video, we shall understand the law in detail, what it covers, to whom it applies, its key drivers and highlights. Let's get started. In year 2017, the Government of India constituted a committee of experts, under the chairmanship of former Supreme Court Justice Shri B. N. Srikrishna, to study various issues relating to data protection in India, and make specific suggestions on principles to be considered for data protection in India, and suggest a draft data protection bill. The committee had submitted its draft bill to the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on July 27, 2018. The bill is an initiative to enforce privacy principles in India. The bill lays down penalties, ranging from 5 crores rupees or 2% of total global turnover, to 15 crore rupees or 4% of total global turnover. It aims to change the way privacy is perceived and practiced within Indian business. The bill regulates the processing of personal data of individuals, referred to as data principals, by government and private entities, that is the data fiduciaries, incorporated in India and abroad. Processing is allowed if the individual gives consent, or in a medical emergency, or by the state for providing benefits. To whom does this bill apply? Well, the proposed bill applies to both government and private entities. The applicability of the law will extend to data controller or fiduciaries or data processor not present within the territory of India, if they carry out processing of personal data in connection with any business carried in India. Systematic offering of goods and services to data principals, also generally referred to as data subject, in India, and any activity involving profiling of data principals within the territory of India. The objective of the bill is to ensure a free and fair digital Indian economy, and it is seen as a critical step in setting up a privacy framework, which gives the Indians full freedom to protect their personal data. Personal data includes data about or relating to a natural person, who can be identified, having regard to any characteristic, trait, attribute, or any other feature of identity of such natural person, or any combination of such features, or combination with other information. Under the law, data subjects will have the right to be forgotten and erased from records. Users may request a copy of personal data in a portable format. Users have right to correction and right to confirmation. The key drivers of the law are: all personal data, sensitive personal data and children data stored, should be obtained by consent. Sensitive or critical personal data should be stored in India only. For any processing activity of personal data inside or outside India, one rare copy shall be required to be retained in India. Data fiduciary shall take steps to maintain transparency regarding general practices, relating to processing of personal data. Follow principles of record keeping, data audits, data protection impact assessment. Appoint a data protection officer as per their processing activities. Products, systems and processes must consider privacy by design concepts during development. Key highlights for data subjects or principals includes: when an individual no longer wants their data to be processed, the data must be deleted. That is right to be forgotten. Individuals have the right to more information on how their data is processed, available in a clear and understandable way, that is right to be confirmation and access. Data principals can get their personal information updated, corrected and completed. Referred to as right to correction. Data principals can port their data, making it easier for individuals to transmit personal data between service providers. This is referred to as right to portability. An individual has the right to know when their data has been breached. I hope the content was useful. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay on top of all the upcoming videos. Thank you.